All right, now we're going to go ahead and attempt some 1.5 inch by a 50 thou stainless steel 50 thou wall dimensions here. As you can see, I got my rotary table set up. I do have a hard stop to hold my torch just because it is really hard to freehand and float this torch versus floating the MIG gun. This is a little more difficult because we cannot float this tip. This tip has to make contact with the material for the laser to fire. But if you're set up right, it's pretty painless.